Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I received this Samsung S25 Ultra and I'm going to unbox it, but this came together with this, a clear magnet case, 25-watt charger, and Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro.
Nice.
But let's take them one by one. So let's have a look at the Samsung first. The phone. Some changes, not major, but there are some visible changes on it. See if the screen quality is improved. Yeah, it's still a bit reflective, but it's okay. It's great compared to many other phones. Now, no, I thought the battery's flat, but it isn't. Almost no reflection, which is good. It's good. I'm gonna set it up and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.